Do you like the color green? The color green is my youngest son's favorite color, my wife's favorite color, mostly because it's the color of money. But we're going to be unboxing something today that may be of interest that's also green. Huh, what could it be? Let's find out. Hey everybody, Brandon Boyd with The Brandon Boyd Show. Thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to be awesome. Give us a big thumbs up on the video. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notifications for alerts. We really appreciate your support so far. And as you know, it's time to check in on an elevated referral offer from American Express. I know! They just keep throwing great offers out all year. It's kind of crazy. American Express is kicking butt. Boom! They're killing it this year. And we have another offer that we want to talk to you about, and we're going to be unboxing the American Express Green Card as well. So if you go to the American Express public-facing site right now, you can sign up for the Green Card and get 45,000 membership rewards if you spend $2,000 in 6 months. Now, most of us should be able to do that just on, groceries or everyday purchases alone. So that's a good thing. However, there is an elevated offer through our referral link, and sometimes the referral links are equivalent to what's on the public site, but in this case it's a much better deal. With our referral link that you'll find down in the description, you can get 50,000 membership rewards points by spending the $2,000 in 6 months, and this is a big and, you will receive a $200 statement credit at U.S. home furnishing stores if you make those purchases within the first 3 months. Give me a break. What a great deal, right? So you get the elevated offer on membership rewards, and you also get a $200 statement credit. So if you've thought about the Green Card, this may be the time to do it. So some of the stores that are included in the $200 statement credit are Lowe's, Home Depot, even Bed Bath & Beyond. And if you're like me, you've probably got a stack this high of Bed Bath & Beyond 20% off coupons. I feel like they send them to me every single week. So take advantage of that as well. And for the full list of the stores that are participating in the $200 statement credit, check the description down below for the referral link. You'll be able to apply for the card and find out more information there. The annual fee itself for this card is $150. So if you took advantage of the $200 statement credit that I just mentioned, you're essentially being paid $50 to open this card and also getting the additional membership rewards. Now keep this in mind, this is really important. This elevated offer ends on May the 5th. So if you are over your 524 status with Chase, or you just don't care, I don't care no more. I don't care about 524 and you want to get this card and take advantage, go ahead and sign up below. Let's get straight to this unboxing. If you've watched this channel long enough, you know I have the best mail delivery person on the planet. They always show up. I'm going to put up my hand, close my eyes, and just hope that they show up. We're going to unbox the American Express Green Card. I can feel the envelope. It's getting closer. It's closer. Closer. Yeah. There it is. Look at that. We're going to unbox this and figure out what all the fuss is about with the American Express Green Card. You ready? Let's rip this sucker open. I love doing these unboxings. I feel like a little kid at Christmas every time I do this. And while this one is just an envelope, right, some of the higher-end cards come in really nice, shiny boxes. This is still exciting. The rip of the envelope, building the tension here. Okay, nothing unusual here. Summary of additional benefits. Great. I'll take that. I'll look at it later. Card member agreement. I'll read this immediately after filming this video. Rates. No, that's all right. And here we go, the star of the show. Oh, it's a really nice looking card. All right, so looking at this card, it is very green, a different color green. I'm not sure if it matches my shirt, and to be honest with you, I don't know if my shirt's green or not, right? It's some form of green or blue. You let me know down in the comments what color you think it is. But it's actually a very nice card. If I'm feeling of this, it's not as thick as an American Express Gold or an American Express Platinum card, and it's certainly not as, I wouldn't say flimsy, but not as thin as something like the Blue Business Plus card. So it's somewhere right in the middle, maybe an average feeling card. We can do a drop test on this. We're not going to break anything. It just feels like a card, a little plastic card. It does not have any raised numbers on it or anything like that. So if you're looking for a card that can easily fit in a wallet that's already jam-packed with other cards, this may be it. But I really like the color. It's a very attractive looking card. And when you think about American Express too, the green card is really iconic. A lot of people may think of this as the American Express card. If they're not familiar with credit cards, points, and miles, they'll know at least the American Express Green card. So a very iconic look to add to your credit card collection if you want to put this in your wallet. So the welcome offer alone on this card is enough to make me want to sign up. And the cherry on top, which I love, is that I got 25,000 membership rewards for referring my wife to the American Express Green card. And there's a big misconception that you have to have the green card in order to refer somebody to the green card. If you have a spouse and you want to work together on building your points and miles like my wife does, it doesn't matter if you have the card you're referring. For example, I referred for my American Express Business Gold. If you open up your American Express app and you look at your cards, if it's offering a referral link from one of your cards, even if it's one you don't have, use it. It works just the same.
Is it true that if you don't use it, you lose it?
So think about this. I get 25,000 membership rewards for referring her, and she gets 50,000 membership rewards for opening up the card. That's 75,000. Right, math majors? What else does the green card offer beyond just the initial sign-up bonus? Well, several things. 3 times points on restaurants, 3 times points on transit, 3 times points on travel, $100 clear credit, a $100 lounge buddy credit, and also 1 times points on everything else. Now, while the 3 times points at restaurants isn't necessarily as good as our American Express Gold card, if you don't want to fork over the cash for the annual fee for the Gold card, this is a great alternative for that. So if you're trying to find the sweet spot of getting a lower annual fee but getting a good multiplier, this may be one to look at. Is it the best? No, but it's also not the most expensive. The 3 times category for transit is very broad, and that is much appreciated. Transit includes trains, taxis, rideshare services, ferries, tolls, parking, buses, subways. So when you think transit, think American Express Green Card. It's great for that, especially for a family like ours, family of 4. It's great for parking. Parking adds up when you're doing a lot of travel. And honestly, the transit benefit is better than what you'll find on the Platinum card, which carries a much higher annual fee. So again, if you're looking for bang for your buck, low annual fee, but great multipliers, this may be a good fit. The 3 times category for travel is also very broad, and that includes airfare, hotels, cruises, tours, car rentals, campgrounds, travel, purchases on third-party travel websites, and travel purchases made on amextravel.com. However, it does not include timeshare properties. If you go back in our video library, you'll know we have done unboxings of the American Express Platinum and the American Express Business Platinum. Now, while those offer 5 times points on travel, here is the kicker. In order to get that 5 times points on travel, you have to book through amextravel.com. With the American Express Green Card, you do not have that restriction. So if you're looking for more flexibility in booking your travel, again, for a lower annual fee, the American Express Green Card may be a better fit.
Thanks for the tip.
The $100 clear credit is an annual credit, and we currently don't have clear. And to be honest, I really didn't know what it was because we already have TSA pre-check and we use that quite a bit. Typical airport security consists of passing through 2 steps. Getting your identity verified by the TSA agent, where they look at your ID, they look at you. They look at your ID, they look at you. They know that you're up to something and they will find out what it is. So be careful. The second step of that process is putting your belongings on the little conveyor belt where they're taking pictures and scanning everything, x-raying everything, and you're sitting there praying that you get through okay. Has anybody ever been caught with something in their bag or forgot that they had packed something? Let me know down in the comments. I'd be curious. There's always some funny stories of people accidentally leaving things in their carry-on bags. And then after your bags are cleared, of course, you walk through the metal detector and you're finished and you can go on your flight and go along your merry way. On the flip side of that, with Clear, you have your own clear lane at the airport, and you'll use either an eye scanner or a fingerprint scanner to go through. So a lot easier process. And if you want me to do a video comparing Clear and TSA pre-check, let me know. I'd be more than happy to put that together. There are many cards out there that offer priority pass access. My wife and I both have the Hilton Aspire card, which offers priority pass access. I have the American Express Business Platinum. She has the American Express Platinum. So we have access. However, the American Express Green Card offers a $100 credit for Lounge Buddy. You will get this $100 Lounge Buddy credit every calendar year. You could use your Lounge Buddy credit in places where maybe your priority pass won't get you into a certain lounge. Use Lounge Buddy, use the $100 credit, and get in. If you have extra guests that want to come with you into the priority pass lounge and you have to pay for that, use Lounge Buddy, go on, book the lounge, and get your extra guest in there. Use the $100 statement credit. Again, this is another great way to offset the annual fee, which is already low. At some point, it feels like American Express is paying me to use the green card. Again, the whole reason I signed up for it. It's almost too good of a deal to pass up. Other notable mentions for this card include extended warranty protection, purchase protection, return protection, baggage insurance, some travel protections, and secondary car rental insurance as well. Again, I'm not going to go through the full exhaustive list of everything, but if you want all the details, click on our referral link below to get all of the information on the American Express Green Card. So who is this card best for? First of all, the sign-up offer alone is great, and I think if you just want a great sign-up offer, this is a good one. But also thinking about it more broadly, if you're a young professional or someone that travels and you don't want to fork over the money for, the American Express Platinum Card, that while offering a larger multiplier on travel, also comes with a really hefty annual fee, right? So if you don't want to fork over the money for the larger annual fee, just use the American Express Green Card. If you're someone that likes to travel, you're booking your flights and your hotels, you like to cruise, this may be a good option for you. A lot of people just forget about the American Express Green Card.
Don't you forget about me.
And it often gets overlooked for whatever reason. I don't know why. But it's a great bang for your buck card because you get the low annual fee, a great sign-up offer, while also offering great multipliers. And in some cases, it offers even better benefits than higher annual fee cards. Let me know down in the comments, do you already have the American Express Green Card? How are you using it? Why do you like it? For us, it's a no-brainer card. We want to accumulate as many membership rewards as humanly possible because at some point, we want to book some international flights and start traveling again. Are you planning on getting this card and using the offer down below? Let me know. It's a great time to do it if you've been on the fence about the American Express Green Card. Now may be the time, but make sure you use our referral link for those additional membership rewards and the $200 statement credit. We really appreciate you watching this video. As always, don't forget to be awesome. Give us a big thumbs up on the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notifications for alerts, and as always, when you click on the Brandon Boyd Show, it's going to be time to check in on elevated offers and everything new in the credit card world, and I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. We will see you soon.